Half of a river disappears into a hole in the ground, and no one could figure out where it went for decades. This is the story of the Devil's Kettle. Deep inside Judge C. R. Magney State Park, a quiet forest hides one of the strangest natural mysteries in North America. A river called the Brule River suddenly splits into two at a waterfall. One half behaves normally, rushing over the edge and continuing downstream. But the other half drops into a dark, circular hole carved into the rock and disappears completely. No splash, no visible exit, just vanishing water. For years, visitors and scientists were baffled. People started calling it the Devil's Kettle, as if the earth itself was swallowing the river. The mystery became famous, and theories started spreading. Some believed the water was flowing into a massive underground cave system. Others thought it might travel through hidden tunnels for miles before resurfacing somewhere far away. A few even suggested it could be connected to underground lakes or deep geological faults. To test these ideas, scientists tried experiments. They dropped bright dye into the hole, expecting to see it reappear downstream. They tossed floating objects like ping-pong balls and wood pieces, tracking them carefully. But nothing ever came back. This only made the mystery stronger. For decades, the Devil's Kettle remained unsolved. Then, modern scientists decided to take a different approach. Instead of trying to track objects, they measured the water itself. They calculated how much water flowed into the waterfall above the split. Then they measured how much water came out below. The result changed everything. The missing water wasn't missing at all. Both streams combined matched almost perfectly with the flow downstream. That meant the water entering the kettle was rejoining the river underground just a short distance away. So what was actually happening? The hole is a deep erosion feature called a pothole, carved over thousands of years by swirling rocks and fast-moving water. Over time, the water created a hidden underground channel beneath the surface. When water falls into the kettle, it travels through these concealed rock pathways and rejoins the main river out of sight. The illusion of disappearance happens because we simply cannot see the underground exit. So the water isn't being swallowed by the earth. It is just taking a hidden route back into the river. Even though science has solved the mystery, the Devil's Kettle still feels eerie when you stand there in person. Watching a river split in two, with one half vanishing into darkness, is a powerful reminder that nature can still look like magic, even when there's a logical explanation behind it.